Handmade furniture, essential woodworking and carving tips. Are you ready to craft beautiful handmade furniture and showcase your DIY skills? Join us on a journey where creativity meets craftsmanship. In this engaging workshop, we'll unravel the secrets of woodworking and carving, essentials that transform simple wood into stunning furniture pieces that speak to your style. Before diving into carving, let's focus on the foundational skills. Understanding the types of wood is crucial. Oak, maple, or walnut. Each has its unique characteristics and charm. We'll help you choose the best wood for your projects, considering durability, look, and workability. No woodworking session is complete without the right tools. From chisels to sanders, having a well-stocked toolbox sets you on the path to success. We'll explore must-have tools for beginners and pros alike, ensuring your arsenal is equipped for all kinds of creative endeavors. Ready to add intricate details to your projects? Let's master some basic carving techniques. From tracing designs onto the wood to using carving tools with finesse, these skills elevate your furniture-making abilities, enabling you to infuse personality and artistry into each piece you create. Creating shouldn't come at the cost of safety. Woodworking and carving are enjoyable when you follow safety precautions. Wearing protective gear, maintaining a clean workspace, and using tools responsibly ensures your DIY adventures are accident-free. Let's make safety our priority while we enjoy the process. Now that you're equipped with knowledge and tools, it's time to get crafting. Follow our step-by-step guide to create a simple, yet elegant wooden stool. Visualize your design, measure twice, and cut once. With each step, you'll watch your project come together beautifully. Congratulations on crafting your first piece. But we're not done yet. Finishing touches like sanding and applying a protective coat can make a world of difference. We'll guide you on how to perfect the finish, making your creation not only beautiful but durable. You've done it, created a unique piece of furniture with your hands. Take pride in your work. Share your creations with us and the community. We believe every piece tells a story, and yours is worth showing off. We've loved being part of your woodworking journey. Whether a newbie or a seasoned DIYer, keep experimenting and pushing boundaries. Don't keep the fun to yourself, share this passion with others. Please like, subscribe, and set notifications so you never miss out on our creative workshops. Thanks for watching.